Investing for beginners in South Africa in 2026. So what is investing? Investing is when you buy goods or assets with the goal of selling it for a profit. And the same principle can be used when you purchase shares or stocks in a company, meaning you will own a percentage of that company with the goal of selling that share or stock for a profit in the future. Not only can you invest in companies, but you can also buy things like cryptos and metals. And when you use a regulated and licensed app like Brockstock, you know your investment journey will be easy and safe. And remember, when you deposit 1,000 Rand with Brockstock and invest it, you will receive a free stock. Use the link in my bio. Sometimes when beginners don't know what to invest in, they keep it simple with something called an ETF, an exchange traded fund, which is basically a basket of different shares. So when you make one investment, it gives you exposure to a bunch of different companies. Here you can see an example of an ETF investment. And yes, you can buy fractional shares, meaning you can buy a percentage of a share, crypto, commodity, metal, etc. You don't have to purchase a full share amount. Let's put some math on the screen. If you invest 1,000 Rand into 5% interest rate savings account, at the end of the year, you will sit with 1,050 Rand. But if you invest 1,000 Rand into a stock or commodity and it goes up, let's say 12%, you will end up with 1,120 Rand. But the same if the stock or commodity goes down, you can go into the minus. If you're someone that doesn't know what to invest in yet, Brockstock has a dynamic interest rate on available funds, meaning while you wait for your dream investment, your money will grow in your available balance. Download Brockstock, link in my bio, invest 1,000 Rand, get your free share.